All right, what's going on, guys? Lostwood Custom Offsets. Today's video, we're roasting your guys' boxes.
Hell yeah.
I love this series.
I do too. I did the last one, of course, and people seem to be okay with that. I know Rainey's your guy, and for good reason. The dude's hilarious, and he's just funny. So I'm gonna, see what I can do here. I don't know what I'm about to see. So
all right, well, welcome to the show. I'm glad to have you on here. And if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, accessories, customoffsets.com. We're also doing another giveaway. Pick up this T-shirt for a chance to win. Falcon tires, fuel wheels, and zone suspension. Pretty decent setup and start to a build. You guys can find all that at customoffsets.com/giveaway. Keep in mind, these people did send in their vehicles to the email. If you guys want to get featured, you can email your boxes at tv@customoffsets.com. So we're giving honest opinions because they want the honest opinions before we get a bunch of hate DMs and all that jazz. All right, Brian Avery, it's time for you guys at CO to feast a real shit box. This is my 99 Chevy K1500 with a 96 GMC grill. I think that was supposed to GMC question mark, bud? With billet insert. I've done a lot of work to this myself. Nice. It was no power steering and is missing a window because I broke the mounting tab climbing through it when unlocked my keys in it at work. Nice. It's also crooked from getting hit previous to me owning it. Nice. Crooked. It has no mufflers, no cats, and the pipes end about a foot after the cap. Nice. All right, let's check it out.
He unlocked his keys in his truck.
Dude, look at that GNC grill.
Oh, dude, just the grammar in that started this off real good.
I need a GNC grill for mine. Where do I get a GNC grill?
The supplement store?
Yeah, supplement store.
Yeah, he's got a different body panel on each part of the truck.
I like the red hood. That's a nice touch.
Yep, gives it character.
Yep. Looks like Billy Bob sat on your on your bedside there.
Or someone ran into it. I don't even know.
Yeah, it's all dented to shit. Looks like the paint's pretty rough. Looks like you're missing a window.
I'm actually not gonna lie. It doesn't look horribly.
It really doesn't.
It doesn't look horrible, other than the fact that he, has salvaged a different part for each part of this truck.
Yeah.
But it looks clean. Maybe he's a good photographer. I don't. Oh God.
Don't forget about the blue lights, because seeing anything, right? Let me just turn on my overhead light because I lost something down by my feet. Oh shit, they're blue.
And then, oh shit, I have a headache and I can't drive home. Like, that thing is bad.
But he wants to show off that he's a hard worker with his construction vest.
Oh, never mind. I take back everything I said about this being clean. This thing is clapped. The frame's got to be bent too. That thing's sitting like this.
Yeah, it's sitting a little cocked. Sitting a little crooked.
Crooked.
Sitting a little crooked there, bud. The tailgate, the whole back side. Honestly, probably just need as long as the frame. That frame's. Never mind. I'm not even gonna pretend like this frame is fine.
I think you should find the nearest hill and maybe just have a little more fun with this.
Yeah, but I mean, maybe if it drives fine, then whatever.
At least there's no way it can.
But it would look silly going down the damn street. Those steps are ugly.
Oh, this thing's chooched. Is there a video? Oh God.
Oh, you best believe there's a video, buddy.
Oh God.
Oh, always in the vertical. Love it.
Dude, this thing is...
Oh no.
He's filming on his iPad.
On a damn iPad, brother?
Turn it. Just turn it and.
Look at that man. With his khakis and his iPad. Having the time of his life.
I respect it.
I respect it too.
Guys, if you're gonna send us videos, don't send it off Snapchat. I mean, they're funnier, I guess, but
Yeah.
just turn.
I like it.
Dude, this thing's beat.
This thing sounds mint. All right. Thanks for sharing that with us. All right, this is Jason McLung. It's a 04 Ford Ranger Edge with a 99 Ranger front clip. Have been driving thing for 3 years now, dependably. Wow. And using it for work in 2 years. I put 60K on it. Oh my God. and it keep on ticking. It's a tank. I cracked the torsion bars as high as you cracked the torsion bars as high as they could go. Nice.
I think he made. I don't even know.
Nice. The 33's under it and added some light bars and a 10-inch sub stuffed behind the seat and a CB. Figure you all would like to roast it. Oh, you damn right. All right. Homemade head rack at
Yeah, follow
_
them all on Snapchat
JA.
to keep up to date with their clapped out build.
I like this thing.
I like
I with it.
this thing's bad. Oh, it's a tow pig.
It's a tow pig.
I
Yeah,
want- I
now
want
you
that
like
tra-
it, don't you?
I want that trailer though. Is that for sale? That'd look good with my four.
I don't know. All I'm saying is he should not be towing that cab with that trailer.
What the hell is that? Is that an engine just chilling in the? What the hell is in the back of this truck? It has handlebars. Oh, okay. It's a frame of an ATV maybe, but the truck in the back looks like there's something hanging.
Oh, sure.
I like the wheels. The wheels look dope.
Let's stop.
Yeah, they're dope. Look at those things. Looks like, oh, yep, we got some. No way.
This thing towed a gooseneck?
No way. I don't believe it. Pictures or it didn't happen.
Pulls more than your Cummins, middle finger, cardboard box,
Shit emoji.
chocolate ice cream emoji, and kiss face. Wow, this man just calls people out.
Oh,
Oh, shit! What is that?
this thing is rough. Jeez,
He tows everything with this thing.
I'll give it to him. I mean,
Go back
do
to
you see how
this.
much wood there was in the back of that truck?
Did you see how big his exhaust tip is?
Anybody can do that.
That must just be for a photo because it wasn't in the rest of them. Fenders chooched, paint's chooched,
Everything.
doors chooched.
We gotta go down. There's another video. It looks like.
Yeah, no, I just want to go back to this. He tows a damn gooseneck.
I think it's just backed up on there. There's no way in hell. Because if that
All right,
gooseneck,
Biggs don't believe you.
if
Send
that-
us a video.
Yeah, please.
I hope
'cause
this
I
is the
want to see
video.
it. Hopefully.
I hope this is the
Because
video.
if that gooseneck's cranked down on that, oh my God, that bed would. Oh hell yeah, burnout maybe. Yeah. I'm impressed.
This man straight sends his Ford Ranger.
Dude, that's everything you should do to a Ford Ranger. Like
Just literally push it to the limits. Now I want one. I'm selling the Jeep. I'm getting a Ford Ranger for
a
winter.
Ford Ranger.
That'd be sick. Oh.
That's the thing is, like, he's not the only one that pushes a Ford Ranger to the limits like this, and they all hold up pretty well.
Yeah, this is
Like-
this is freaking insane.
The headache rack or whatever you want to call that, I know you probably just picked up scrap wood from wherever you could find it, but just the thing sticks out.
Yeah,
Cut it down
yeah, it's
or take it. This thing's bad. Like, it's reliable though. He's put 60K miles on it.
60,000 miles.
60,000
Holy
miles.
hell, bud. That's a lot.
I'm shook. I'm literally so shook that he put 60,000 miles on it.
Yeah, will this thing keep on ticking? It's a tank. And he cracked his torsion bars and he's still rolling just fine.
I don't think you should use ticking. Anything motor related.
Keeps on ticking.
That usually
All
is
right.
a sign of something that's horribly wrong.
Nice Ranger, Jason. I can't even really, obviously there's some shit wrong with your truck. But the fact that he knows it and just straight tries to use his truck and send it, I dig it a lot. All right, Taylor Johnson. Hey guys, it's Taylor. Roast my shitbox 75 Jeep J10 inline 6 with 3-speed. Plan on doing a Hemi swap or Cummins swap in the future. Lots of mods to come, but for now she's a shitbox until I get the money to restore her.
I can't.
This thing is sick.
Yeah, I can't roast this. This thing's dope.
I want this. So for this one, it's gonna be so hard because obviously that's gonna be insane. If you do a Hemi or Cummins swap, that'd be insane. Obviously, knowing a J10 old school, you're gonna have body work regardless of where it's from. It's just unless you're going for that straight up classic patina look, it just is what it is.
Yeah.
But obviously there's some rust and stuff on the bumpers, on the fender flares, and just overall, you're just gonna have to sand the whole body down and get it resprayed.
I'm actually very shocked with the interior. The interior doesn't
look too bad.
It doesn't look horrible. There's definitely, some cracked, it looks like cracked dash and
yeah, you'll have to get a whole new reupholstery on pretty much the whole thing, but
some of your
new bench.
Yeah, typical, it looks like the floorboards are intact, maybe. I don't know. It looks like it.
The
but
glove
really,
box is
the interior is for this year
for being a 75.
and even the exterior,
I think it's sick.
I can't roast it. I really send us pictures of it through the process or whatever.
Yeah.
That'd be dope.
Take us on Instagram or something. I'd love to see as you go through your build and everything.
Yeah, because this could turn out pretty freaking sweet.
Yeah, get some body work and that'd be a good start.
Yep.
All right, thanks Taylor. Next up, we got Mitchell next. Mitchell Wangsgard. My name is Whit.
Why did you say it like that?
What? Mitchell Wangsgard.
Mitchell Wangsgard.
Yeah. Hey, my name is Mitchell. I live in northern Utah. This is my daily, so go ahead and throw it in your next roasting shitbox video. Not much done to it. My tires are stretched a little because I found them for $50. Wow. In the classifieds and went with it. Tailgate I made myself. Wow. I'm excited to see this thing.
Yeah.
Shift extender and shift knob I made. I smoked a curb drifting in a parking lot a couple of weeks ago. That's where the bent wheel comes from. I have 2 LED cubes behind the grill that I use for my high beams because the headlights are so shitty that I run them on high beams all the time and they still are way dim. Nice.
I'm impressed with the grammar.
Roast the heck out of it. Let me know what y'all think.
This is a very well put together story.
I like it, Mitchell. But why don't you? Okay. Look at them toe hooks. What the is that?
You know what those toe hooks are? They're the tie downs that you screw into a trailer.
Yeah.
Don't tow anything with those toe hooks or you're gonna rip your bumper right off.
That's nice. Also, I can tell from
bad.
here that your headlights are. No wonder they're dim.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that you can probably get a set of clear ones for pretty inexpensive.
Yeah. Probably as much as you paid for them damn cubes.
Or the tires. Oh.
It's another Ford Ranger.
I just want to see this bent wheel. Oh, that tailgate's kind of dope.
Yeah, I kind of don't mind.
Does it actually latch? Or did he just straight up, he said, it don't need to go down, we're just gonna.
Just wood screwed right to the fucking box, can you imagine?
No, it 100% is. There's no way. Or it slides out, maybe, I don't know.
Look at this, look at all these Ford Ranger tow pegs.
Dude, they're insane. This thing tows more than my truck. The interior's not.
Interior looks pretty good.
Yeah, never mind. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Look You don't like it? Look at, there's the screws that he used to put in into his frame.
It looks like there's sawzall bit. No, maybe not. But, you know, a jigsaw bit, so we know that he's cutting on some shit.
Yeah.
Is there any more, or is that it?
That's it.
I'm going to give him the best quality description. The grammar was solid. As far as that goes... Oh, okay. So the tailgate is held up by... It looks like...
Oh, yeah.
It looks like some... what the f are those called? What are those called? Bungee cords. Jesus, I couldn't think of it.
Dude, all that thinking for bungee cords? Oh my God, we need to go home.
Yeah, this thing's pretty beat, but it's another Ford Ranger that's doing Ford Ranger things.
Next. All right, last one. Dylan Truelove.
Why do we want to roast this?
Yeah, one, there is no damn description about anything on here, and it looks like you got a nice GMC with some OEM Plus wheels and some mud tires. If you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, CustomOffsets.com.
Except don't get this wheel and tire set up. This thing's butt ugly, but other than that, see you in the next one.